Hello, everybody. This is Jack here with Jack Does Websites, coming back at you again, trying to set up WordPress on your Name Hero hosting. So we're here on Name Hero, nice and logged in. First thing we're going to do is go down to the website builder, go into your hosting plan that you have here, go into the cPanel, scroll all the way to the bottom here, Sufficulous Apps Installer, WordPress. Then we're going to go to Install Now, and we're going to go and choose the domain that you want to bring over. So for me, this here. And you're going to want to make sure it always updates most of the time to the highest version of WordPress that we have. At the moment, you can change this if you'd like. I'm going to use the Yoast SEO plugin to be able to change all this stuff and take care of it. So to me, it's no big problem. You can try this password and username if you're going to try to hack me, but I'm going to change this by the time I finish this video here for you. But you can change this to whatever you guys want it to be. This will help you log in. I recommend it being a pretty hard password though. Obviously people can try to get into your website. Another thing that I would recommend turning on is limit login attempts. And then what you're just going to have to do afterwards is install. I'm going to switch my password real quick and then I'll come back right back at you guys and show you what we get to after we hit that install button. Hey, I just had one thing to say to you guys. If you do not already have Name Hero hosting, I do now have an affiliate link down below. Feel free to just punch it in and you get some good deals on your hosting for the #1 hosting service out there by price, in my opinion. Hey, I'm back and we have successfully logged you in and gotten WordPress installed on your computer. So now where you're going to be going for whenever you do need to log in is your domain name.com/wp-admin, and then you're going to be punching in that password and username that we just created through Name Hero. And this is your new dashboard. Next video we're going to be making, I'm going to be helping you guys set up your website completely using the Brizy editor. So feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and comment down if you have any other questions that you need addressed for me in the following series. Hope to hear from you guys and have a great day.